turned this sphere into a projectile attack for my prototype of my Unity game. With the sphere selected, I added a sphere collider that was a trigger and made sure the radius fit tightly around the mesh. Then I added a blast art and weapon damage script to add logic to this object. Within the blast art script, I added a reference to the player camera, added a setting for the boost speed, and settings for lifetime and current time active, with an additional private vector for the target direction. The start function was used to set the player cam to the game object main camera and make sure the target direction was where the camera was aiming, making sure it's the transform of the forward direction of the camera. I first set the current time active to time.delta time, which is the time in seconds since it spawned in, and then made sure if the time active was greater than lifetime, the object would destroy itself. We actually moved the object in the direction the camera is facing. I did a transform.translate in the target direction, and then times it by time.delta time and the boost speed in the space world. The rotation also equaled where the camera was looking through a quaternion look rotation. Within the destroy function, it's just going to destroy the object, and it's to make sure that other triggers or hitboxes can destroy the object when it collides. The weapon damage script is just going to have a reference to animator for the character and a float for weapon damage. The start function is just going to set the animator to the animator for the character, and these public properties is used by hitboxes on trigger enter to get weapon damage and see if the character is attacking. So the code works in my game, and the projectile does destroy itself and the enemy on contact, and that's how